Good evening everyone, and what a lovely bright spring week we've had. And to match it, here is some lovely bright spring-like music. This is the Variations, the Harmonious Blacksmith by George Frederick Handel. Another first for us. We haven't had Handel yet in this year and a bit of music making. The Harmonious Blacksmith, what a lovely title. Not given by Handel himself, and there are some wonderful rumours, false ones, about how it came to have the name. For instance, that Handel heard a blacksmith singing or whistling this tune, or that Handel was trying to imitate the sound of an anvil in one of the variations. No, the most likely explanation is that an English blacksmith became a music shop owner and publisher. And he was indeed the first one to select this particular movement, or it's a part of a suite of Handel pieces, and publish it on its own. And because he himself had the nickname of the Harmonious Blacksmith, he published the piece with that title. So, early form of variations, Handel calls them doubles, which makes sense because a slow melody, the speed of the notes double each time, so you get quavers, semiquavers, demi-semiquavers. There's actually a variation that ought to be called triples, but he still calls it doubles because it's got semiquaver triplets. And this is one of those pieces where you're really pleased that your mother made you practice scales.